The solar flares have kicked out. The next 6 years, there is an extra stimulus on all the energies that work upon this planet. Whenever these solar flares happen, battles happen, disastrous events happen, at least segments of society could rise. The solar flare activity in the sun has gone up significantly and it's going up further. Maybe about 18 months ago it started. The next 6 years, they will be at a very high pitch, the kind of pitch that we have not seen in our lifetime at least. In the Indian traditions and in scriptures and other things, it has been said that when solar activity rises like that, there could be a lot of death, there could be disease, there could be wars, there could be psychological imbalances, there could be lot of turmoil in human life and lot of upheavals in animal life, every life on the planet, because it affects your nervous system, digestive system, pulmonary system, everything. It could go on for another 4.5 years. I want to make sure all the consecrations I want to do, I finish within this next 4.5 years because Sun himself with me. Probably by mid-2023 to mid-2024, those 12 months probably, or at least 9 months, it could be at its peak.
Now look at India. It is dark red in this map, darker than most of the world. Summers are here in India, temperatures are rising, there are predictions of heat waves, all of this is pushing the country to the limit of human survival.
Around 500 years ago, Nostradamus published Les Prophéties, containing 942 predictions that seemingly foresaw future events, such as the World War II, Hitler's rise, and the French Revolution. He is also linked to the predictions about JFK's assassination, the 9/11 attacks, and the coronavirus pandemic, with claims that over 70% of his prophecies have come true. For 2024, Nostradamus made several notable predictions. First is climate crisis. The dry earth will grow more parched, leading to great floods and widespread famine due to extreme weather. Second is the deadly virus. Researchers will discover a deadly virus 40,000 years old released into the oceans as glaciers melt, causing many deaths. Third are volcanic eruptions. A massive eruption on Italy's Mount Etna is predicted for the late 2024 or early 2025, potentially the worst since 79 AD or 1631 AD. It's important to approach such prophecies with skepticism and consider their speculative interpretations rather than certainties.
In this time, will humanity bring disaster upon themselves or will they bring realization and transformation upon themselves is in the hands of human beings. So, this, if you're conscious, this is a fantastic time because I want you to understand this. It is only in the summer when the sun is really hot, all the plants really burst out. They know how to make use of the sun's energy. I would like to see something very positive and wonderful happens. I want you to come to your senses because this is going to be next few years a charged up time on this planet. Are we going to use this charge for transformation, realization, or are we going to stab at each other, kill each other, do something terrible to each other because some stimulus is happening in our body, we don't have equanimity, then we will damage each other. This is why approaching every aspect of your life becomes super important. Otherwise, there will be pain, there will be death, there will be problems. Using the technologies and the solar flares, we can make this next 4.5 years tremendous time for humanity.
India's increasing temperatures are attributed to the El Nino effect, a climate pattern causing abnormal warming of ocean waters. El Nino is responsible for the heat wave conditions in India. However, the positive news is that El Nino conditions are weakening La Nina, an opposing climate pattern which could emerge by August. This would result in cooler temperatures and improved monsoons for the year, and this we can already feel now. But as Sadhguru mentioned, the next few years will be a charged up time for this planet. Global warming is already happening. Earth's temperature has risen by an average of 0.11 degree Fahrenheit or 0.06 degrees Celsius per decade since 1850, or about 2 degrees Fahrenheit in total. The rate of warming since 1982 is more than 3 times as fast, 0.36 degrees Fahrenheit or 0.20 degrees Celsius per decade. So this is a time for transformation and realization. Save soil, save the environment.
To get free tips on food, health, Ayurveda, lifestyle, and yoga by Sadhguru, please join our WhatsApp and Telegram link below.